radio in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania.
Whoa! Whoa, what the fuck?
The preceding tone signals were
What
a
the fuck
test of the alarm device at this weather radio station.
What the fuck?
During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers will be automatically activated
Whoa!
of impending hazards.
Whoa, what the fuck?
Tests of these receivers are conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and 12 noon on each Wednesday. This radio station,
Whoa!
35, serves the following counties in western Pennsylvania: Allegheny, Armstrong,
Whoa,
Beaver, Butler,
holy
Fayette,
shit.
Greene, Indiana, Lawrence, Washington, and Westmoreland. In northern West
Whoa!
Virginia, Brooke, Hancock, Marshall, and Ohio. And finally, in east central Ohio, Columbiana County. The National Weather Service now returns to our regular broadcast.
What the heck just happened? What? Alright, I did not expect that.